Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 35. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Lilian and Wenchao. Since Wenchao is already awakened, Julian is helping her to take a bath. I didn't mean to. Well, after so long, she finished cleaning, but Yulen said to her, "Shut up." Silence, still helping her to wipe herself. But now, Wenjiao is only looking at Yulian. Yulian, she really got serious about this. She got really worried about Wenjiao. Finally, Wenjiao, she's been safe right now. Someone is calling Yulian. Yulian is going to answer the phone. Yes, well, you can say. What else? I will hand over the contract to the legal review today and I will sign it when I return to the company. So don't worry, what's the use of millions? Well, Yulian, she's really workaholic person. It was a bank loan. You and Shui, the manager, makes an appointment in Ashawi of the Public Relations Department to fully view and I personally, we can eat dinner together. Well, Wenjiao, she is patiently waiting for her to finish the callings. Well, if you still have the money, you will call us and want to cooperate with us. Yulian said to the other side. Finally, after talking, well, I'll talk about this when I go back to the company, okay? I will hang up first. Now, Yulian said to Wenjiao, you can warm in the quilt first. Ask someone to bring you something to eat later. Well, of course, she need to go back to the company. She has a lot of things to do. Well, of course, she really need to finish things. And she might come back on the night time. Wenjiao, she becomes sticky, right? I'll go to the company to see things have been quite a while. Julian said to Wenjiao. Well, of course, right now. She's making sure that everything is fine before she leaves. You're a workaholic, Wenjiao said to Yulian. Yulian, she doesn't seem to hear that, and said to her, huh? What did you say? Probably she hears that, but she only wants to ignore it. Said, you're a workaholic like your mother. Wenjiao said to Yulian, who did you learn this from? You have the nerve to tell me. Well, definitely she knows that she was only teasing her. I didn't know that who was caught by my everyday before. Well, of course, on her side, Yulian, she seems to be seeing Wenjiao sleeping late at night because she is really working, but right now, the case is already turned around. She become workaholic also. Sorry, Wenjiao said to her, let you suffer if I have nothing to do. Well, you just woke up. Don't think about it. It's not your fault. Yulian said to Wenjiao. Well, they're really coaxing each other. Finally, everything went well. As for Yulian, of course, she always got worried about Wenjiao. Then you came back early after you're done, okay? And sleep with you. As soon as I close my eyes, I can only see a car accident. So it turns out she has nightmares every day. She closes her eyes, she can see the car accident. Well, she must really terrified on what happens to hers. Then, I'm waiting for you, Wenjiao said to Yulian. Yulian suddenly said to the nurse, take good care of her. Prepare her a breakfast then. Now she's going to leave, but suddenly she realized something. Suddenly picked up the pen on her pouch. Well, what is she going to do right now? Is she going to write something for Wenjiao? Well, probably she is. Right now, she's trying to write on paper. Call me if something is scary. Yulian said to the nurse, give her this note with the breakfast. The nurse said yes. Now, finally, she went out. When she came back to the office, she's been greeted with the secretary. Miss Su, this is the list of the recent companies that intended to cooperate with us. Special Assistant Shang was talking to hers. Well, Assistant Shang might feel so awkward. She noted to herself that Yulian, she was only secretary as hers, and she doesn't know the two of them are really sisters. Having breakfast. Have you eaten your breakfast? Special Assistant Shang helped me order the breakfast. On Assistant Shang's mind, Su Yulin is even more workaholic than Su Wen, so he knew that she needed to eat breakfast. Well, Assistant Shang, right now suddenly, she seems to be rattled. Did Miss Su say that? Ren Zhao should also want to see you too. Well, that is great. After hearing that, of course, Assistant Shang, she seems to be relieved and said it was no problem. She was going to eat breakfast. Suddenly, her mom suddenly visited her and said to her, "Beautiful, do you feel better?" Well, definitely her mother is really worried about her, especially she really been fond on hers. The doctor has done examination and I will take a period of time to be hospitalized. Wen just said to her mom. Well, definitely, two of them are really close to each other. Wen Zhao, it turns out, Miss Su's lover. Well, definitely, it was really great back then. Please help me find a set of tea sets and tea leaves. The nurse said, yes, maybe she want to have a tea with her mother that night. It's the same voice. That car accident. Wen Zhao said to her mom. Well, of course, maybe. She want to tell her mom what's happening on the day. I didn't do that. Wen Zhao said to her mother, I'm not so silly. You know, it's my life. Gamble, so, with my own life, of course, she will never do that. She remembered when she got questioned by her mother. Did you do this? Yes, he wanted to infringe on me, so I rejected her. Well, definitely back then. Right now, she wants to explain her mother. Beautiful mind, and has a secret. She has his own means at a young age, and she indeed not a silly person and impulsive person, her mother said to her. So her mother, it turns out, she was really a smart person. She knew to herself that Wen Zhao is hiding something from hers. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!